Hello my YouTube friends! So today is my first full day in Japan and I couldn't be more excited. So behind me is the Pacific Ocean and this is my first time seeing it. And I can tell you right now that I never thought that I would see it from this side of the world. I always thought it maybe like go to California, go to British Columbia or something along those lines to be able to see it. But when Akane told me that it was the Pacific Ocean this morning, it's just, I don't know, it's a very weird and very cool feeling and experience that I'm going to be able to get to the Pacific Ocean here in Japan. So today I'm not sure what we're doing. We're just kind of, after that, because it was a 13-hour flight for one of them and a 2-hour flight, and then getting to the airport, which took an hour and a half, and then a 2-hour layover, and then we took a train when we got here for 2 hours. So yesterday was an extremely long day of traveling. So we are just getting, because it's a 12-hour difference between Halifax and Japan. Japan's 12 hours ahead, so it's just getting used to the new time. So today we're just walking around Iwaki and yeah, just seeing what Japan has to offer in like a smaller town. It's a beautiful day. It's supposed to be 23. With that sun out, I can tell you it feels a lot warmer than that, and it is so fantastic. So anyway, I hope you guys will like the video. I'm not sure exactly what it's going to compose of as of yet, but it's probably just going to be the sights and sounds of Iwaki. So something that's still so strange for me is the fact that people are driving on the opposite side of the road here. I'm not used to that whatsoever. This is the first country I've been to where they've driven on this side of the road. So just even seeing people driving on that side, just like my mind is like, it just like twitches a little bit. But then last night, getting Akane's father picked us up from the train station there, and just driving on that side of the road was so, it's not that driving on that side of the road is weird, but it's that everything in the car is flipped, and that is weird. Just looking at like the driver's seat on the other side of the car, is so weird.
Yeah, I already recorded.
Oh.
I have recorded.
So, you remember how I said this was my first time at the Pacific Ocean? Now is going to be the first time standing very, very shallowly in the Pacific Ocean. Because if it's anything like it is on the west coast of Canada or the United States, I can expect it's going to be super cold. So, we'll see. I wouldn't say it's any colder than what Rainbow Haven or anything is. It's not that bad.
Okay.
You know, sometimes when I'm at home, you see your friends buy new cars or buy houses, and you start thinking, is that what I'd rather do? And sometimes you kind of think, yeah, it is, but then you come to places like this and you realize that what you're doing, there's nothing better than that. Yeah, you don't have the same shorts that I do.
Oh yeah.
When's the last time you were in the water in Japan?
8 years ago.
8 years ago. Crazy.
This is cold.
It's cold, but it's no colder than it is in Halifax. Done?
Yay!
It's funny because usually I find things super cold, but I don't know. I don't find this that bad. Like, I don't know.
This is cold.
If this is what people on the West Coast think that cold water is like, then working it up in my mind is it's not as bad as what it is. Perhaps it's going to be different when I do get the chance to go to California. Maybe just the where it's situated is what makes the difference. But right now, Pacific Ocean, awesome. Found some beans on this tree.
Oh. Ah, yeah.
Having a bit of trouble, huh? Excellent. Nice find.
You are supposed to know. This is Japanese pine.
Japanese pine.
It's different.
Yeah, it does. It's got the longer
Yeah.
needles. About those are called pine cones.
Oh, same.
Yeah,
variety.
we have pine cones. The ones that we have are not necessarily as round as this. They're a little more elongated,
Okay.
but we do have them. So there's a song from when I was a little kid called Joshua Giraffe. So anytime you see a giraffe, we do a comparison. Or at least I get my picture taken with him. Picture please.
Okay.
Picture please, picture lady.
But the giraffe looks not
Yeah,
giraffe.
it doesn't have much spots anymore.
Yeah.
Darn Japanese giraffes.
Looks like camel.
He does.
Yeah.
I was debating whether he was a camel, but he's got no humps, so
Yeah.
he's either a spotless giraffe or a humpless camel. When's the last time you were in a maze?
Don't remember. 25 years ago
And where were you?
in Japan, I suppose.
Yeah? Well, let's see if you can get through this one. I think my last maze was at Disneyland in Paris.
What? You went Disneyland in Paris?
Mm-hmm.
They have Disneyland in Paris?
Yes. Where? Oh. There.
Ah, this is the top.
Oh, hun. I thought that's why you said it was a trap. I thought you saw it.
No, I mean this one.
Alright. It's enough maze for us.
Let's get out here.